On April 5, 1993, a Boeing 767 of Guatemala's TACA airline was coming in for a landing at La Aurora International Airport in Guatemala City. By chance, a Mexican passenger was filming this particular journey's end. What none of the passengers knew was that a tropical storm had just passed over the airport. The runway was soaked, and the pilot was coming in too high and too fast. The plane skidded off the end of the runway and plowed into several structures. "210 people were on board. Despite the chaos, only 3 were hurt. Because the plane was equipped with emergency floor lights and escape slides, everyone got out alive. This flight could have had a tragic ending, as sometimes happens when we fail to heed the warnings of the air crash